Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today we are going to make keto chicken skewers. It's so easy to make, require only few ingredients. If you are in keto or low carb diet, this is a perfect lunch or dinner for you. Let's get started. For that, I took 300 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. To that add 30 grams of curd. If you don't have curd, you could use buttermilk too. Then add 30 grams of melted butter. Instead of butter, you could use olive oil. Then our Indian spices, pepper powder, garam masala powder, salt, chilli powder and little turmeric powder. Do check the ingredients in description box below and count your macros depends on that. I add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste too and mix everything well. Now add little chopped parsley. If you don't have parsley, you could use coriander, chopped coriander. To that add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix everything well and marinate for about 1 hour. Next, soak our wooden skewers in water. For that, I took a glass and added my wooden skewers and fill with water and soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now arrange the chicken on the skewers. Do check the ingredients in description box below and count your macros. See, our skewer is ready. And do the same procedure with remaining chicken too. Take a pan, either grill pan or normal non-stick pan. Here I am taking a non-stick pan. To that add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt completely. Then place our skewers. Let it cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes and tilt the pan here and there. See, and turn once in a while to get even cooking. I am turning the chicken now. See, we got good golden color. Now let it cook this side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Continue to cook until the chicken is cooked and charred. Look at this. We got a nice color. Our chicken is ready. Remove the skewers from grill and serve. It's perfect for keto dieters. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.